the crystal gems will always save the day.
And if you think we can,
We'll always find a way.
that's why the people
Of this world,
believe in Garnet
amethyst and pearl.
and Steven!
I don't think they are earthquakes. They're too frequent.
Hey, look! Steven's got a bike!
Where are you going, Steven?
Just out for a ride.
In the sand?
Yup. Smooth ride. 5 speeds. Handbrakes. Electric blue finish with a tiger bell. I bet there are a lot of kids who love to ride this bike. Whoa! Whoa! What up?
Who were you talking to?
Huh?
That girl.
You saw? She's just a girl I know, except she doesn't know me. We've never talked.
You like her!
I like everyone.
Let's set up a play date. I'll write up an invitation and work out a schedule. Oh, we'll have to find out her favorite kind of tea.
No, just talk to her.
Okay, but you guys can't watch this time. It'll mess up my funky flow.
Funky flow?
We won't watch.
All right.
What's that?
Nothing. Hi, my name is Steven. 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 Whoa, how did I do that? Hi, my name is Steven.
Connie, what happened?
I'm magic. Well, half magic, on my mom's side.
You did this?
Apparently. I'm a member of the Crystal Gems. We fight monsters and protect humanity and stuff.
Oh, that's kind of like my dad. He's a cop. Well, more like a private security guard. So, how long does it usually last?
Oh, right.
What's wrong?
It, doesn't seem to want to go away.
Oh.
So I don't see you around that often.
My dad works for a bunch of different beaches, so we're never in the same place long.
I go on adventures with the gems sometimes. They usually say it's too dangerous for me, though.
Do you always go in a bubble?
No, this is new. I don't know what this is, but it's okay. The gems will know what to do. Oh, what? Hey, guys! Garnet, help!
I don't think they can hear you.
Oh, that's right. I told them not to watch.
We can just wait here until they come out.
No, it's okay. I've got other friends that can help.
Way to go, Steven. Is this your magical love bubble or something? Did you make it? Because you're in love.
That's Lars. We're basically BFFs.
He makes weird faces.
Lars, quit being a jerk and help!